browsing the internet, something caught my interest.
Really? What is it?
The COVID pandemic has just ended, but its impacts are still felt to this day, especially in the food security and economic sectors. Urban emissions, particularly in the Jabodetabek area, are getting worse day by day.
Well, speaking about the emission in Jabodetabek, I heard there are a group of women that live in upscale residential area that making use of the idle land for agriculture. Do you want to know more?
Really? That sounds good. Please tell me about it.
Women nowadays play a vital role in addressing economic challenges, like the group of female farmers that we visited days ago in South Tangerang. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a negative impact on so many sectors of people's life, such as economy, health, and food security.
The pandemic forced people to stay at home for a very long time, and many of them became interested in gardening in their home yards, including mothers in the Good Farms Women's Group. Starting from 2020, the Good Farms Women's Group, whose members are housewives, aimed to become more productive during the early days of the pandemic. They began using the unused or vacant land in their residential areas for gardening.
Udah sampai mana ini deliverynya gitu, udah jalan atau belum, karena kebetulan hari Jumat kan lebih singkat waktunya. Alhamdulillah tadi sih kita tim deliverynya udah jalan, mungkin udah sampai.
The Good Farm Women's Group, with an area about 600 square meters, cultivates various types of crops, including corn, spinach, pumpkin, pak choy, water spinach, chili, butterfly pea, and others. In their cultivation practices, they utilize agricultural technologies such as hydroponics, organic fertilizer productions, and ecoenzymes. The harvest from the Good Farms Women's Group is not only used for personal consumption by the group members who live in the housing area, but is also processed into ready-to-eat meals and then sold to the communities and other business partners. Collaboration with the government and business entities have contributed to the growth of the Good Farm Women's Group.
Manfaat sosial dan ekonomi yang dirasakan dari KWT Good Farm ini apa saja, Bu?
Banyak ya manfaatnya. Coba Mbak Dini. Kalau dari ekonomi, alhamdulillah kan kita udah mulai ada UMKM-nya juga.
Jadi kalau dari secara ekonomi, memang manfaatnya sudah dirasakan ya Bu, walaupun tidak besar nominalnya, tapi sudah dirasakan ada manfaatnya. Selain itu juga dengan berjalannya kita tetap menanam, berarti secara ekonomi perputarannya juga ada. Jadi untuk lahan pun manfaatnya sudah dirasakan selain untuk anggota KWT itu sendiri. Secara sosial juga kita menjadi lebih akrab, lebih guyup gitu ya.
Here are the achievements of the Good Farm Women's Group. First, they were visited by the mayor of South Tangerang as part of the Harvest Days event. Second, they received the Proclaim Trophy Award from the Climate Village program in 2023 from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry of Indonesia. Third, they won the corn planting video competition. Fourth, they won the competition for processing farm produce, such as horticultural products, corn, and Indonesian Sambal Nusantara. Fifth, they won the K3, Kebersihan, Kelestarian, dan Ketertiban, or Cleanliness, Sustainability, and Orderliness competition. Sixth, they provided education and shared experiences with other farming groups, including a visit by farmers from America. Lastly, they offer education for students. Let's take care of our environment starting from our surrounding and always share our positive experiences with the wider community.